You can't use the ruler to make it, but it should be pretty rounded going up. Alright, my domain, which is in the x direction, anywhere, if I pick a value way out here, I will be able to square it and subtract 4. So I will have a point. It'll be way up on the top, but I will have a point out there, negative infinity, and all the way across to positive infinity. Now coming in the y direction, starting down here, I have nothing, nothing, nothing until I get to this point on my graph, which was a negative 4 to positive infinity. Okay, here's one that's a little bit different. You can go ahead and give that a try. I'm going to choose several values. I don't want to use a 3 this time because that's going to be off my graph. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, negative 1, or positive 1, positive 2. If I put in a negative 2, I have y equals 2 times negative 2 quantity squared. Remember, you have to square first before you can multiply. So if I square the negative 2, I get a positive 4. So I have 2 times 4, or 8 for the first one. And negative 1, negative 1 quantity squared will be a positive 1 times my 2, so I'll have a 2 there. If I put in 0, that's just going to give me 0. And if I put in a 1, I'll square the 1, multiply by 2, so I have 2. If I put a 2 in there, it's 2 squared, or 4, times 2 is 8. Then I can graph 0, 0, I know that's my lowest point, negative 1, 1, 2, negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, way up there, and 1 comma 2, and 2 all the way up to 8. Now again, I can't put, it almost looks like it could make a straight line, but if I do my next point, it is way up here, 18, so I can't just do a straight line and have it go all the way up there. So I do have to make a curved line, very steep on this graph. And my domain, anywhere I go on the x-axis, even though it doesn't look like it, it is going out just very slightly, and it'll eventually have a point for any point I choose. The range, however, when I come down here, negative infinity, nothing until I get to 0, up to positive infinity, because it is going on and on.